If you've got a story to tell but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Let's get those creative juices flowing. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there are a few key things to keep in mind when it comes to creating compelling content. First things first, know your audience. Who are you creating content for? What are their interests and needs? Understanding your audience is crucial for creating content that resonates. Next, focus on creating engaging visuals. Eye-catching graphics, high-quality photos, and well-designed layouts can make all the difference in capturing your audience's attention. Don't forget the power of storytelling. Whether it's through video, blog posts, or social media captions, storytelling helps create a connection with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. And finally, always include a strong call to action. Whether it's asking your audience to like, share, or subscribe, a clear call to action encourages engagement and interaction with your content. So there you have it, content creators. Keep these tips in mind and watch your content creation skills soar. Happy creating!